So let us introduce for yoga, Swasti Yoga Center.
Yes, please give a big round of applause for Swasti Yoga Center.
Yep.
Competition versus collaboration. Ikigai for motivation and yoga for mindfulness and fitness. Good evening everyone. I'm Sonali. I'm truly delighted to represent Swasti Yoga Center Pune, a WHO cited, ISO accredited, Yoga Certification Board Ayush India Certified Institute for Yoga and Therapy. It's an honor to be a part of Konichiwa Pune 2025, a celebration of Indo-Japanese friendship, wellness and culture. At Swasti Yoga Center, we believe yoga is not just a practice, but a bridge connecting cultures, people and hearts. So today, let's experience that beautiful connection between India and Japan through yoga and tradition. Now, I would like to invite someone special on stage. Sue's already here. Say hi. Yeah. She's from Japan and she will recite a Patanjali prayer. Over to you.
Yugena Chittasya Padena Vacha Madam Sharira Sachavaidekena Yogam Karotam Pravaram Muninam Patanjalim Atosmi.
And now Team Swasti with Yoga Fusion Dance. Big round of applause. Thank you.
तेरे जाप के बिना चले ये सांस किस तरह मेरा कर्म तू ही जान क्या बुरा है क्या भला तेरे रास्ते पे मैं तो आंख मूंद के चला तेरे नाम की जोत ने सारा लिया तमस मेरा नमो नमो शंकर भोलेनाथ शंकर जय लोकनाथ शंभु हे शिवाय शंकर नमो नमो शंकर
Incredible, isn't it? This is the kind of collaboration I was talking about. Isn't yoga fusion dance a beautiful blend of mindful movements, rhythm, where breath, balance and music come together? Yeah? Right, let's move on to our next segment, which is going to be an interactive one. Yoga quiz. Alright. And I need your active participation in this, please. Alright, let's start. So first question. What is the name of Lord Ganesha in Japan? Whoever answers.
Kangiten.
Kangiten. Wonderful. You can please come down. In Japan, Lord Ganesha is worshipped as Kangiten, the deity of joy and prosperity. Like in India, he is the remover of obstacles. Now, second question. Be ready, guys. In Marathi, we say Saukash Jeva for mindful eating. Saukash Jeva for mindful eating. In yoga, it is called Mitahara. In yoga, it's Mitahara. What is the concept called in Japanese? They do have similar concept. What is it called in Japanese? Anybody? Mindful eating? Okay, yeah, we'll still give. Yes, alright. It's Harahachibu. Harahachibu. Okay? Wherein it means eat until you are 80% full. A similar concept like Mitahara. Alright, next question. In Maharashtra, women celebrate Gauri Puja. Okay, listen to this. In Maharashtra, we celebrate Gauri Puja. Japan has a similar festival for women. And what is it called? Yes. Similar festival for women. What is it called? For the dolls? Yes. Yes, absolutely. Yes, Hina Matsuri. Yes. Yeah. All those who have given answers can come down, please. Hina Matsuri, also known as the Doll Festival of Girls' Day, it celebrates the happiness and well-being of women and young girls. Question number 4. It's about a popular book, Ikigai. What is the meaning of Ikigai? What is the meaning of yoga? What is the meaning of yoga? One word answer. Sorry, yes? Discipline. Okay, it's a part of it, yeah. More? Union! Absolutely. Wonderful. It means union of body, mind and soul, and today it beautifully symbolizes the union between Indian and Japanese I would just like to introduce Sue. Sue has completed her level 1 yoga certification from Swasti Yoga Center, and she truly embodies the spirit of cross-cultural learning and wellness. Welcome, Sue. We're happy to have you here. Before you take over, can you share a bit about your experience learning at Swasti Yoga Center? Over to you. Thank you, everyone.
Namaskar. こんにちは。Sueko と申します。I'm Sueko. I'm living in India 1 year. I'm joined this Swasti Yoga Center 6 months ago. And my English not too good. Japanese not too good. Hindi I don't know. Sanskrit of course I don't know. I'm crying, I'm laughing, I'm enjoy this class because my teacher, they are always welcome to the warming heart. They understood this my small kids in different environments. And the Indian food is very different for me, but they all the time made me no masala biryani. Masala is everywhere masala. Ice cream also masala, sometimes fruits masala, I'm surprised. But I'm so enjoying this culture. I'm so appreciated this joint team. And of course I got a license, very enjoy this yoga. I hope new Japanese people and some another country people join this union yoga. And I'm so happy to come on stage with my 3 years of powerful son. So I wish is I come to the next year. I still living in India. よろしくお願いします。ありがとうございました。And this is end Shanti Mantra. Sahana Bhavadu Sahana Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinamaditamasttu Bhavishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.ありがとうございました。
Thank you so much. So, what did you guys think? Like, do you think yoga is fun? Hello?
अरे कोई बोलो, पूछ रहा है वो।
यार फीलिंग्स हर्ट कर दी।
बोलो बोलो, योगा कैसा था? Please have a big round of applause for them also.
अरे थोड़ा जोर से यार।
Yep, that's the energy. That's the energy.
Thank you so much, sir.